Here we are going to see the review of the weather and the seasons. What are the learning objectives? After completing this chapter, you will be able to know about weather, know about changes in different seasons, discuss how sun is useful to us, recognize daily weather of your place, know about flood and drought. Here you are having the activity. Name the season in which you use the following. Use the help box. Umbrella, yes, obviously it is in the monsoon. Jerkin, it is in the winter. And cap, it is in the summer. Weather. What is the meaning of weather? I know that you heard this word before, but don't know about the weather. Let's see. What is the weather? Weather means the air around us is sometimes hot and sometimes cold. That is why days are hot, cold, windy, rainy or dry. ओके तो हमारे आसपास की जो एयर है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है कि वो एयर अगर कोल्ड है तो वेदर इज़ कोल्ड, वो एयर हॉट है तो वेदर इज़ हॉट. अगर फुल डे इट इज़ द क्लाउडी एटमॉस्फेयर देन weather is cloudy. If it's raining, the weather is rainy. The condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. Okay, the weather keeps on changing because of sun, wind, rain and clouds. Weather may be different on different days and sometimes at a different hours of a day. See, weather is the different. It is the different for a day. What is the meaning of weather? The condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called as weather. अगर किसी जगह पे कोई कंडीशन है एयर की, मतलब एयर इज़ ब्लोइंग, एयर इज़ हॉट, एयर इज़ कोल्ड, दैट टाइम वी आर सेइंग दैट वेदर इज़ द डिफरेंट. Weather is affecting or it's changing because of sun, wind, rain and clouds. These are causing the change in the air. So we will see that how it is changing. Now we will see first sun. In the morning and evening the sun rays are slanting. So morning and evening are cool. In the morning, if you have observed, you will go there in the morning or in the evening, go out and see your shadows. Then you will understand your shadows are long at the both time, but it is opposite, means vice versa. But at noon, the sun rays fall directly. So noon is the hottest time of the day. This time sun rays are directly over your head. Morning and evening are cooler than the noon because of this sun rays. Sun rays are slanting in the morning and evening also, and in the noon it is directly fallen down. So that's why morning and evening are cooler than the noon. Next point, there is a wind. Wind is blowing. Soft and gentle wind is called as breeze. Soft and gentle wind is called as breeze. Whenever there is a summer season, that time we like to stay in the breeze because we are waiting for the breeze. It is a gently, very soft breeze is there. It makes weather pleasant. We like to this pleasant atmosphere, and because of breeze it is become pleasant. When wind blows at a very high speed along with the thunder, lightning and rain, it is called a storm. Storm किसे कहते हैं? When wind is blowing with very high speed, it having the thunder and lightning with lightning and rain along with it, then it is called as storm. A storm can cause loss of lives and property. Windy days are cooler than the sunny days. See, whenever storm is there, it can uproot the trees. Big trees can uprooted by the storm because the wind having a lot of force in it, and that force we are using in the production of the electricity. If you have observed, windmills are there on the hills. Why it is there? Well, windmill gliders are there, and windmill produces the electricity, and we are using that electricity. This electricity is produced by the wind. So wind is having the lot of force in it. We have seen when there is a Nisarga storm, that time trees are uprooted by that trees were uprooted by that Nisarga. Yes, and even roofs of the buildings and kacha houses, it can blow with the wind, so it can lose the lives and the properties also. So these are very very harmful. Next thing, that is rain. When it rains, the day becomes pleasant. During the winter, it makes the weather cold. Rain is very good for crops. If it falls at night time and in a right amount, a lot of rain or too less of rain harms the crops. See, if it is a lot, then it is again harm the crop, because if it is a lot, then crops will not survive in that condition. Even it is too less, then this also condition is not good for the crops. It is very harmful to it. So rain is very good for crops, but if it falls at the right time and the right amount, means it is time is, we know that always monsoon season, it is always in the end of the June it has started, and up to the September it is there. If it was not there up to this month, then what is happening? It must be lead the drought. Clouds. A cloudy day is cooler than a sunny day because the sun rays cannot reach us directly. Clouds block the sun rays. Sun rays, clouds, there where clouds are there in the sky, dark clouds are there, it is filled with the water. So these rays get sun rays get blocked by this cloud. That's why what is happening, day are cooler than the sunny days, and sun rays are not there, sunlight it is not there. That's why that air become cool. So these are the things, because of that weather get changing. Now we'll see the weather forecast. The scientists today study the conditions of temperature and the clouds and inform in advance about the weather. This advanced information about weather is called the weather forecast. The weather forecast is published in newspapers and also the telecast on the television and radio. It is available on internet also. Nowadays we are having the 4G mobile. If you have observed, we are having the daily's weather forecast, today's, tomorrow's and yesterday's, day after tomorrow, what will be the weather there, that conditions already predicted in advance. So by that we are it is very helpful to us. We are having that much technologies, we are having the what we say for that, satellites. We are having the satellites, and that satellites are helpful to telecast the report, weather report. So this is very much important. Now, what are the uses of this weather forecast? It helps us to plan our daily activities. If we have to go out from our house, we have to go to visit anywhere, whatever we have to do, that all the daily activities if we are doing, that all we get planned by the with the help of weather forecast. It is helpful to, it helps the farmers to plan their activities according to the rain. It helps the sailors and pilots to sail or fly as they should know whether it would be a rainy or it is a clear day. So when sailors are sailing their boats and ships in the seas and ocean, that time if they don't know about the weather, and if suddenly storm is there, suddenly raining is there, they cannot find their way. So it is very much essential to see the weather forecast before going to the travel or sailing. Then pilots also need to know about the weather forecast to fly their planes. Satellites are sent into the space to monitor the weather on the earth. These called as weather satellites. Now we'll see, take the information about the seasons. See, we have seen that weather means it is the condition of the air at a particular place and particular time. Weather we are predicting for a day, just for the day. And what is the meaning of season then? That we have to say. Season's definition is year. That is, when a particular type of weather remains the same for a month or two, it is called the season. This particular type of weather, it's remain for 1 and 1 2. Means if there is it's raining for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, it is called as just particular type of weather is remaining for the 3 months, it is called as season. Same we will think about the, if weather is hot and dry and sunny, then we will say it stays for the 3 months, then it is the summer season. If weather is windy and cold, then that season is called as winter. So first we'll start from the summer. Summer is the hottest time of the year. It begins in the April and ends in the June. The days are long and the nights are very short. The air is warm and dry. We sweat a lot. Sometimes hot winds blow during the day. People like to stay indoors in the afternoon and use the coolers, fans, and conditioners. Then we wear the light colored cotton clothes in this season. These clothes keep our body cool. People enjoy eating fruits like muskmelons, watermelons, and the mangoes in the summer. They also enjoy drinks like lemonade, and raw mango juice. Some of us go to hill stations which are cool even in summer. Shimla, sorry, then Masuri, Manali and Ooty are some famous hill stations of India. Here are a few things to take care of this summers. Drink lots of water. Do not have cut fruits or juices from the roadside vendors. They can make you sick. Take a bath twice a day. So here in summer season, what is going on? See, it is the very hottest time in this year. That time in the summer, sun shines brightly over our head, and because of that, air become very hot, and we are feeling hot, sweating a lot, and so that's why we need to keep our body cool. So what we are doing, we are using the fans, coolers, and air conditioners also, but we we are sweating a lot. That's why for absorbing the sweat we are wearing the cotton clothes, loose cotton clothes or white colors, because it is very helpful to keep our body cool. Also, if we have to maintain our body temperature, we need to drink a plenty of water. If we will not drink the plenty of water, then we are feeling thirsty for a whole day. I mean, for we need a lot of water to keep ourselves cool. So next thing what we are doing, we are eating the summer fruits like watermelon, muskmelons, and the mango also. So mango, these are the all summer fruits. They also help us to keep our body cool. We enjoy the lemon juices, mango juices, and many of the people, they want to go at the hill station, because they are at the hill station atmosphere and weather is very much pleasant, so people like to go there and stay there, enjoying to stay there. They are arranging the picnics at the hill stations. Okay, so here what we have to take care of in the summer, that drinks a lot of water, do not have a cut fruits or juices from the roadside vendors. There where roadside vendors are there, they are not taking the care of the hygiene, so don't buy the things from them, and that things can make you sick. Take a bath twice a daily. Okay, so these all things are we are doing in the summer. Now we will see about the monsoon. Monsoon begins at the end of the June and ends in the September. Winds blow over the sea and pick up the moisture. These rain-bearing winds are called as monsoon. Monsoon causes rainfall in most parts of India. We also hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. The sky is mostly covered with the dark clouds. Sometimes a rainbow is seen in the sky. Rainfall is necessary for crops. The water gets collected in rivers and lakes. It is used for irrigation. People protect themselves from rain by using umbrellas and raincoats. Peacocks dance in the rain to show their happiness. Children make paper boats and float them in the rainwater. Here are a few things to take care of in the monsoon. Keep your surroundings clean. Many diseases spread by the mosquitoes breeding in water. Drink boiled and filtered water and eat fresh food only. Here student, in monsoon, every farmer, everyone, they are waiting for the monsoon. This summer season, it is very hot and everyone is getting tired from the summer, and they are waiting for the monsoon. And monsoon, because of monsoon, everywhere we can see the greenery, pleasant atmosphere. Everyone is happy. Plants are happy, animals are happy, people are happy. Everything, it is the happy. Monsoon begins at the end of the June and ends in the September. So there are a lot of festivals are also there. Ganpati Bappa festival is there, Nag Panchami festival is there. We are enjoying lot, and that time what is happening, winds are blow over from the sea and pick up the moisture. As we have learned the water cycle, in that we know that when sun during the summer season, sun shines brightly and it hits up the water which is present in the seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, and from the all water bodies. It gets evaporation, and then that water vapor goes up in the sky, makes the clouds, and when that clouds get the cool air, and that time what is happening, it comes down in the form of rain. सो दीज रेन बियरिंग winds आर कॉल्ड एज मानसून। ये जो रेन जिसके साथ जिस हवा के साथ बहती है उस हवा को क्या कहा जाता है? मानसून विंड। ओके, मानसून कॉजेस रेनफॉल इन मोस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ द इंडिया। मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में मानसून से ही बारिश होती है। We also hear the thunder and lightning. We know that when wind is blowing, it is a storm, then it comes with always thunder and lightning. The summer is ending, that time it has started that thunder and lightning. Okay, so this water rainfall is necessary for everyone, not for the crops also it's necessary. They get collected into the rivers, lakes, seas, ocean, ponds, streams, and everywhere. Underground water is there also. It is get collected, it is used for the irrigation, further for the irrigation. So here all the things are there. Now we will see that what is the enjoyment is there. We are carrying the umbrellas, raincoats, gumboots. We are using these things for it. These things help us to protect from the being wet. Yes, and also what peacocks are dancing because they were also happy. It shows their happiness. And children make the paper boats and float them in the water, rainwater. You are making the, I know that you are also making the paper boats and throwing it, sorry, it's floating it into the rainwater. Some they are dancing in the rainwater, some they were much water is around us, you're jumping in that, dancing in that like a peacock. But mama is shouting at you, don't do this, because it is means again it is harmful to you, it will lead the you will be fall sick. That's why mama is shouting at you. Okay, so here some precautions we have to take, some care in the monsoon season. That is, we have to keep our surroundings clean because many diseases spread by the mosquitoes breeding in the water. If water is there in anywhere, then what is happening? Mosquitoes get breeding, and it can spread the many diseases. Drink, boil, and filter water, and eat fresh food only. Boil and drink filter water. Why it is? Because of rainwater. What is happening? Soil particles and all the dust particles, all the dust get mixed into the tap water or drinking water. That's why we must have to filter it, or we must have to boil it, and then we have to drink this water. Okay, next thing, that is autumn. Autumn, which is the very short period, which having very short period, October to November, it is the period. During the months of October and November, the weather is neither too hot or nor too cold. The trees shades their leaves. This is called as autumn season. When trees are shading their leaves, that time we can say yes, it is the autumn season. Now see the winter. Winter is the coldest time of the year. November, December, and January are the winter months. Days are short and nights are long. Places in the mountains have a snowfall. The mountain peaks get covered with snow and look very beautiful. We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold. We enjoy drinking hot milk and tea. We use the room heater to keep the room warm. On sunny days, we like to sit out or play in the sunshine. Oranges, bananas, apples are the winter fruits, and the cauliflowers, cabbage, carrots, and peas are the winter vegetables. See, winter, it is the very coldest time of the ईयर. देखो कोल्डेस्ट है, हॉटेस्ट है, बहुत रेन भी होती है. ऐसे सीजन्स है यार इंडिया में. नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी also, these are the winter season time months. That time days are very short and nights are the very long. places in the mountains. We know that mountains means these are the high hills, and high hills, that top is called as peak. Okay, that peak is get the covered with the snow, and it looks very beautiful. We are enjoying the drinking hot milks and teas instead of uh, other things. We should drink, we are drinking that time hot soups also, yes, and we are keeping ourselves warm. We also wearing the woolen clothes, that wool we get from the sheep and yak, yes, and that woolen clothes keep us warm because it protect us from the cool air. Okay, so this is all about the winter season. Here is the spring season. See student, spring comes after the winter in the months of February and March. The weather remains very pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Plants get new leaves and flowers. Nature looks colorful. It is an ideal season for the picnic. See, we have seen the information about the autumn. Autumn is always comes before winter, and after winter there is a spring season. Yes, in autumn trees are shedding their leaves, and in spring trees are bearing the new leaves. They are looking very beautiful. Also, in this season, flowers are blooming. They are having the nice fragrance, and this fragrance attract the flowers. Butterflies. Means this season also called as, it is the season of flowers and butterflies. Nature looks very colorful because of this new bearing leaves. Plants are looking very nice. Flowers are there. On that, butterflies are there. So that season is very colorful. Everywhere we are thinking that nature is very happy, and we also happy by that. So that's why we are deciding the सीजन्स फॉर द पिकनिक ऑल्सो. दैट्स हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि इस सीज़न में हम लोग पिकनिक के लिए जा सकते हैं बिकॉज दैट टाइम वेदर इज़ नाइदर टू हॉट एंड नॉट टू कोल्ड. The season affects us in a many ways. We have seen the 5 seasons, and we have seen it affect in many ways. Our lifestyle depends on the season. It affects the food we eat and clothes we wear and daily things we do. So we see different flowers in the different seasons. We see beautiful sunflower and the jasmines during the summer season, dahlias and calendars bloom during the winter season. We see tulips and carnations in the spring season. So spring season is the most beautiful season in the year. We'll see next one, that is too less or too heavy rainfall. See, flood. Due to heavy rains, the rivers overflow and the water of these rivers enters the surroundings areas. This is called the flood. During the floods, large areas get submerged in the water. As we know that recent example, that is last year, there was a flood situation in the Sangli, then Kolhapur and Kharad because of Krishna river get the overflow, and by that what is happening, some houses, some villages, they get submerged in the water, and people don't have anything. So what happened that time, many of us, they gives them some help with their in the form of clothes, in the form of food. We have provided them because they are facing the much critical situation that time. We have seen on the news also, that is how they are facing, means their houses get flushed off with the Krishna river water. Yes, so during the floods, large areas get submerged in the water. Means what is that? Due to the heavy rains, means heavy rain, it is not a good it is not a good. And what is the drought? It is a very dry period because caused due to the very less or no rain for a long time in an area. It results in the severe water shortage, and ponds and lakes get dry up, huge cracks develop in the soil, crops get damaged, and the people do not have the food to eat and water to drink. So this is again a very much bad condition due to the less rainfall. Now see the sun. The sun is useful to us. The sun is the most important source of energy. We get energy from the sun in the form of heat and light. The energy that we get from the sun is called as solar energy. Solar energy is used to following purposes: for drying the clothes, for making the salt and from the sea water, for drying of vegetables, fruits and seeds, etc., for cooking food by using the solar cooker, for heating water by using the solar heaters, for producing the electricity by using the solar cells. Solar cells are used in electronic watches and the calculators. Green plates green plants need sunlight for making their food. This process is called as photosynthesis. Also we know that many uses are there. Sunlight kills the germs and bacteria which are present in the air and keeps the air surrounding fresh. As well as sunlight helps the fruits to ripen. Okay, these are also the some uses of the sunlight. Even sunlight we can sunlight is having the lot of power. That power we can use to convert the electricity. With the help of that we can do the many things. So sun is the most important source of the energy. Nowadays we have to use the natural sources of the energy for the daily life, because hydroelectricity we are using, and this is very much harmful. This is not getting enough, so we can use this natural source of energy also. So here we have completed our lesson. Here are some keywords. Weather, condition of the air of a place at a particular time. We have seen the weather's definition very deeply. Now storm, wind blowing at a very high speed along with the thunder and light and rain. Weather forecast, the advanced information about weather. Season, particular type of weather that remains the same for a month or a two. Monsoon, rain bearing winds and the rainy season. Solar, energy obtained from the sun. Now, points to remember: weather keeps on changing because of the sun, wind, rain, and clouds. Summer, winter, monsoon, autumn, and spring are the main seasons. Heavy rainfall causes floods. Dry period caused due to the very less or no rain for long time is called drought. The sun is the most important source of energy. So here, student, we have taken the review of this lesson, weather and season. I hope you understood this lesson in my lecture. Bye bye.